Welcome to Wins News. I am your friend and host Amit Roy. Making money in stock market is so easy. So easy these days people are thinking because market has gone up to 74,000. It's not stopping anymore. It's like a floodgate has opened, you see. Why it's happening and why people think making money in stock market is that easy, that simple. I see these YouTubes and other places. I see people are saying money is just, it's like money plant. You just pull it and money will come to you. Is that so easy? Please like me and subscribe me and share my channel. No, look, I must tell you, making money is very difficult. You have to wait. That's a golden rule. I follow that. But people are restless. And in India, I'm seeing many people these days are engaged in gambling. Though they don't understand it, but in reality, it's a gambling. I'm seeing how people are teaching to make daily trade, future options, as if investment, old type investment, my guru Warren Buffett has reached Jesus Christ and taken nirvana. That is not going to happen. Anyway, I want to tell you first how to make daily trades. I don't do that myself, but there are ways of doing daily trade. In daily trade, you don't go and buy a stock and sell in after 20 minutes. It's not like that. It's not like that. Even there, you have to lots of hard work, lots of collecting information. This is I'm seeing people are working in companies, people are working in offices, and they think they will do the same time stock market and make big money. It is not possible. You have to invest your time. Even you're doing daily trading, future and option, whatever you're doing, you have to invest your time. It's a full-time job if you want to make big money. These days people are saying making 1 crore is just like that. It's not easy. It's not easy. I tell you, friends, it's a very difficult task. And more chances are you lose money. Now I tell you, if you want to do daily trading, there are some rules involved and hard work involved. You have to do a lot of hard work even you do daily trading. Just because you sit in front of your screen, it doesn't mean anything. You have to collect a lot of data. You have to collect you know uh, sectors and stocks. You have to know which stocks are moving well in that sector. Which sector is prevalent right now, and you have to follow that. And even in that sector, you have to choose few stocks. Like for example, I understand FMCG, so I'm giving you a little example of FMCG. Let's say for example Nestle. So you have to know about that stock and a little bit of the business as well. And you have to collect 50 days or 25 days moving average, etc., etc. And you have to collect last day's trading charts or last 3 days charts. If you don't understand charts, you just see, if you see it's just going up, you will know the trend because it's not difficult to understand the trend. But you have to collect that before you come to it, initiate a trade. You have to know the stock very well. Besides, there are few points. You have to take risk because daily trading is extremely risky business. Extremely risky. So you have to minimize your risk all the time. You have to make a plan and strategy before entering into a trade. Look, for example, I'm giving a broad kind of example. Like if you are investing 100 rupees, you invest, you have to know that there are chances you might lose all the money. So you must have a sell off, there is an option called, there's a thing called, you can put a sale also. As you buy, you can put a sale. Stop loss. So you have to have a stop loss. Otherwise, it might go down, and you will have no time to recover because at 3 o'clock, it's automatically your sale will be, quashed. and whatever the price remains at 3 o'clock, and whatever you lament, that is not going to recover. In other form of trade which I prefer doing, delivery, you can take the delivery, you can wait, but in daily trade you cannot do anything. It's gone, is gone. So you have to be very careful. So you know how much mistake you are allowed to make. Number three, your mentality. Your risk taking ability, your psychology. That's very important in daily trading. Very, very important. So if you are gambler type, if you are risk taker, high risk person, then it's a different kind of thing. So you have to know your mentality, where you stay. You have to do, some people do revenge trading. Never do this kind of thing, revenge trading. And I want to appeal to you, never come to the stock market with the borrowed money. Nobody makes money like that. I want to tell you, money making is extremely difficult. It's not easy. Only time makes money. So these are the broad kind of thing in daily trading. I don't advise anybody to trade, but if you like, you can do that. Swing trading is much better. You accept that stock and you wait for some times, and when the stock goes up and you sell it. That is even better. But in general, stock market rule is you should stay invested for a long time. Buy good stock and stay invested. Many people do not understand the business. They just see stock's name, and they just enter and buy the stock, and they imagine the stock will come there and there will be bonanza. That doesn't happen. You have to know the business. Once upon a time, I had a Japanese partner. She told me that she's doing business in Germany. Actually, we are in tea. We were in tea. My family was in tea, so I knew a little bit of tea only. So, no, we want to do a Delhi man and we want to do business in Germany. I said, no, I don't understand electronics. I don't understand a lot of things in other business. I know this much and I will stick to that. Though it's a very low profit business. So, a long time ago. So, I didn't do that. And that woman was heavily cheated and her all money was lost. Despite of my strong cautions. So you must know in and out of business, consumer business. If you know, it is easy to understand, or whatever your expertise are there, you must know the business. And you see, you start making money. I'm giving you an example. I bought TCS. There's a Indian company called TCS. I bought it 20 years ago. And I got so much dividend, a 2-time bonus. It's free now. And I still keep on getting high dividend every year. So its stock is almost free. I'm making profit. Plus stock has gone, 500-600% up. So this is my submission, you see. Now look, you never imagine money will come in 1 or 2 days. It doesn't happen. You have to wait. It must multiply, you must give it that time to grow with the stock, stay invested. That is the rule. You cannot expect that you buy a stock and bonanza will come and there will be a windfall, stock will go up. This mentality is extremely dangerous. You only buy good stocks and stay invested. That is the golden rule. And one more thing I'm telling you, and you must know the sector. You must know your business very well. And you don't have to know all the stocks in this index. There are plenty of stocks. If you want to do trading, you concentrate on just few stocks and very good stocks, and you stay invested. Very good stock and stay invested. So, and you follow that very, very well. Even in that sector, best stocks, and you have to, before jumping into daily trading, you know about them, very, very the movements, how they work, what time they work. Look, I'm giving you 2-3 basic points. Market opens and you are doing daily trading. There are some timings, you see. I'm giving you some timing. One is from 9:15 to 10:30. There is a movement. Then again, 1:30, 2:30, there's a movement. 1:30, 1 to 1:30, there is a movement. 2:30 to 3, there is a movement. So these are the times And also with every trade, if you are doing trading, you have time, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes to react. So how you react? Now these days a lot of softwares are coming, so you have to depend on softwares. I don't know how to use those softwares. I'll not do that. So these are the basics of trading. But even then, I will say, if you did think, somebody used to tell, look, when I started doing business, one of my very close friends used to tell me, you are such a stupid man. My friend works in a government office and he is a big commissioner. And he has kept a man in the stock market to look after his business. He is trading every day. I said, look, I might be stupid, I might be a tortoise, but you will be a big government officer, corporate officer, and you will make in the same time terrific money, in stock market. That doesn't happen. You have to be invested in stock market. You have to do your own business, doing there, being present. It's not easy. It's not easy doing both things. You are not Lord Krishna or Hanumanji. You can have windfall one day, 2 day, but it doesn't happen like that. And that man made lot of losses, incurred losses. So this is my submission. Stay invested, let your money multiply, take time, 10 years, 15 years, invest in a stock, and definitely you'll make money. Definitely you'll make money. There is no force on earth can stop you from making money. And if you, one more thing, time makes money. Money doesn't make money. Time makes money. Whatever your shortcomings are, time will, you buy good stocks, time will take care of you. Start early, stay invested, and avoid gambling. Avoid gambling. Gambling mentality is extremely dangerous. There is no way you can make quick money. There is no way. Thank you very much for patient hearing. Please like me and subscribe. Best wishes. Thank you very much.